Ever feel like your memory is slipping? Imagine being able to recall names, facts, and events like never before. In this video, I'll reveal powerful, science-backed psychological tips to boost your memory instantly. Whether you're studying for exams, prepping for an important presentation, or just want to sharpen your everyday recall, these tips will transform how your brain works. Tip 1. Our brains are hardwired to remember images better than words. Next time you need to recall something, create vivid mental pictures. If you're trying to remember a list of items, turn each one into a quirky, unforgettable image. This method taps into the brain's natural visual strength, making recall easier and more effective. Tip 2. The method of loci, also known as the memory palace technique, is one of the oldest and most effective memory tricks. Picture a familiar place like your home and assign specific pieces of information to different areas. As you mentally walk through your space, the information will come to you more naturally. Tip 3. Our short-term memory can only hold so much information at once. The trick? Chunking. Break large amounts of information into smaller, manageable chunks. Instead of trying to memorize 10 digits, break them down into smaller groups, like remembering a phone number. This method allows your brain to store more information at once. Tip 4. Want to make information stick? Become an active learner. Instead of passively reading or watching, engage with the material. Take notes, ask questions, or quiz yourself. This active involvement forces your brain to process the information on a deeper level, making it easier to recall later. Tip 5. Sleep is crucial for memory consolidation. During sleep, your brain processes and stores the information you've learned throughout the day. Without enough sleep, it's much harder for your brain to form lasting memories. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to ensure your brain is operating at full capacity. Tip 6. Spaced repetition is a scientifically proven technique to improve long-term memory retention. Instead of cramming all at once, review information at spaced intervals over time. The more you space out your review sessions, the better your brain will retain the information. Tip 7. Meditation doesn't just calm your mind, it strengthens your ability to focus and remember. Studies show that mindfulness meditation improves both short-term and long-term memory by increasing gray matter in brain regions associated with memory and learning. Tip 8. Physical exercise is as good for your brain as it is for your body. Regular aerobic exercise boosts the production of new neurons in your brain, especially in the hippocampus, the area responsible for memory and learning. So, next time you're stuck on a tough task, take a break and move your body. Tip 9. Mnemonic devices are clever shortcuts that make remembering complex information easier. Whether it's using acronyms, rhymes, or songs, these tricks provide simple cues that your brain can recall quickly. Get creative and create personalized mnemonics for the things you need to remember. Tip 10. Your memory thrives when you're curious and constantly learning new things. Challenge your brain by picking up a new hobby, reading about unfamiliar topics, or learning a new skill. The more you feed your brain with fresh information, the sharper your memory will become. Want to master your memory? Start applying these tips today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more brain-boosting tips, and share with someone who could benefit from a memory upgrade. Remember, the key to memory improvement is consistency, so let's train our brains together.